Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to look at 5 potential altcoins that can give us massive gains in the coming few weeks or months. I'm going to show you 5 potential charts. So before we begin, this is a disclaimer. I hope you all have read. And now let's go towards one important analysis that I want to show you. And this is about my YouTube channel. Look at this. This is a very important analysis, guys. You see, not subscribed 80.8%. So around 80.8% of this channel's viewers have not subscribed to the channel. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel. It takes special time and effort to make videos on daily basis, and I would really appreciate you giving a feedback in form of your subscription and liking the videos. Please like this video right now and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and hit that bell icon so that you never miss a single video in future. So guys, let us jump to the 5 potential good looking charts that are, in my opinion, very good, and you can look to jump in. So the first is what we are seeing is SXP, and this is SXP BTC daily chart. As you can see, these are the previous drawings of our analysis that we saw last time. In fact, those who haven't checked the SXP detailed analysis video, you can check it. You will find it on the channel. So these are the drawings, and what I want to highlight is we had recognized that this was the first resistance which it broke. And the best part is, look at this. It broke this resistance and it's currently retesting. So once it reverses from here, once it creates a green candle like this from here, this is one of the best times, safest times to enter. You can in fact enter it over it right away, because I see this as a massive potential on the upside. These are already the targets that I see it hitting. So in terms of Bitcoin pair, I think this SXP can give us a minimum of another 100 to 105% move on the upside in the coming few weeks or months. And it can go as long as 234%. So this is the Bitcoin pair we are talking about. So of course on USDT pair, it can do much better. So first, I'll keep this video very short and very precise. So the first good looking opportunity to me is SXP. You guys can do your own research. I'm adding moving averages to just show you. If you look at the moving averages, just look at this. These are all 10, 50 and 100 moving average. And if we see that it's currently sitting about 10 moving average, which is the most bullish sign you can get. During this entire fall, it was below 10 moving average, and now it is about 10. And over here, 10 has flipped the 50 and 100 moving average. So this is a great opportunity, guys. I think this, if not more, we can at least expect 100% price appreciation in BTC pair in the next few months in SXP. So the first chart is SXP, which is a good buy right now. Again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your research. I am not responsible for your profit or loss. The second pair that I want to show you today, I had in fact tweeted also, is Swissborg. This is a CHS BTC chart, and just look at this beautiful setup. This is such a beautiful setup. If you look at this, it's about to break its previous all-time high and go on this price discovery. Let us look at the weekly chart, which I found it more beautiful. Just look at this. This is such a beautiful setup. So bullish. This is a weekly chart, and even on weekly, it's about the 10 weekly candle, and it is acting as a support. This is amazingly bullish. And it's just a matter of time before it goes on price discovery. And I think again 100% appreciation in the BTC pair is not unreasonable to ask for. So I think this can go a 2x BTC for sure in the coming few weeks or months. So Swissborg is an amazing looking setup, guys. Do check it out. Again, the third, which again we had discussed, I had shared in our May video, 5 gems in for the May 2021, and that is TRB. And if you look at this setup again, this was the first. You can check it in our old video. This was the first resistance that we had recognized, and it's broken that. It's currently retesting it. This is the best confirmation that you can get, that it is now flipped to bullish. And again, this is an insane opportunity, because look at the upside potential over here. Even if I think going till here is not impossible in this market. So this is the price range that it will have some choppiness or resistance. Once it breaks, it can go and retest this next peak. So again, if we just think of 100%, this is more than 100. This is 150% appreciation. To give you the context, that we are looking at BTC chart of every alt. So in USDT pair, you can in fact expect a much more appreciation rather than in BTC pair. So TRB is our third coin for today, which is in a beautiful setup, and you can look for entries if you feel like. The fourth setup that I'm really loving is Zilliqa. This is ZIL BTC. Again, these are the drawings of our previous analysis. Let me just delete that. But as you can see, we had made this drawing and it is following the path. So this was the first resistance which it broke convincingly, and it's above that. The next resistance is over here. This is an area where it can find some resistance, and once it breaks this, then again there is an immense upside potential. So if you start building your position from now, I think this is Zilliqa is a relatively very strong project, so there is no worries there. And see, it's up till 250% potential in BTC pair. What we want is at least 100% potential, and that I can see it over here. 100% from here would be somewhere around here. This is a 100% potential play, at around 726 satoshis. So 100% potential is definitely in play over here, because I see it can go till here at least, if not more, during this bull run. I think it will definitely retest this peak. So expecting 100% appreciation in the Bitcoin pair is not at all unreasonable, in my opinion. So this is our fourth coin, that is ZIL BTC. So look at Zilliqa. And the fifth setup that I'm liking over here in terms of BTC pair is 1 inch. Just look at this. Again, a beautiful setup. It all looks like it's going to retest its previous all-time high. And it has come all the way. This is so beautiful. So breaking this will definitely create a new all-time high for 1 inch. And if we consider 100% from here, then it's still here. So once breaking this all-time high, it's not unreasonable to reach here, guys, given the bull market we are in. Again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your research. I'm not responsible for your profit or loss. I'm just here to share some setups and share with you the possibilities. Nobody has seen the future and anything can happen in this market. So please be very aware before you take an entry. So these are the 5 really good setups in my opinion. I did not go into details because I wanted to keep this video short. But as you can see, these are all beautiful looking setups, and I think 100% appreciation in the Bitcoin pair in the coming few weeks or months is achievable on all these 5 coins. So this was it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you for the next video very soon tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.